Hi and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change hero to Black Panther. So to be able to do that, make sure to read all of this about this hero. So after that, what you will do is go back and now click on play. So as you can see, we won't change from this hero to the other hero. So to be able to do that, just click on this little icon on top right corner. Now after that, click on change hero, and as you can see, this is our hero Black Panther. Or you can search for it by selecting these categories that came under this, or this hero came under or one of these categories. So as you can see, if after you find your hero, just click on Black Panther or Panther and click on confirm, and you will be able, as you can see, you change your hero to this Black Panther. So after that, just go back, and as you can see, this is your new hero. So this is how to change your hero to Black Panther. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.